The ingredients you'll need are 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons of low-sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, a teaspoon each of garlic powder and smoked paprika, and salt and pepper to taste. For the wrap, you'll need 4 large lettuce leaves, half a cup of diced tomatoes, a quarter cup of diced red onions, and a quarter cup of non-fat Greek yogurt. Start by mixing together the soy sauce, hot sauce, garlic powder, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper in a bowl. Add the chicken breasts and make sure they're evenly coated with the marinade. Let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes or up to an hour for a deeper flavor. Next, preheat your grill or grill pan over medium-high heat. Grill the chicken for about 6 to 7 minutes on each side, or until it's fully cooked and the internal temperature hits 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, remove the chicken from the grill and let it rest for a few minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a moist and tender chicken. Then, slice the chicken into thin strips. Now lay out the lettuce leaves on a plate. Divide the sliced chicken, diced tomatoes, and red onions evenly among the lettuce leaves. Drizzle each wrap with a tablespoon of non-fat Greek yogurt for some added creaminess. Finally, roll up the lettuce leaves to form wraps. So there you have it, a simple, healthy, and delicious recipe that's perfect for any meal of the day. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Please like and subscribe to help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.